This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap.
This is the Market Wrap on a Tuesday. Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. The International Council of Shopping Centers UBS Retail Chain Store Sales Index was unchanged for the week ended October 6th from its level of the week before on a seasonally adjusted basis. Last week, the report was also unchanged. On the year, chain store sales were up 2.1% in the week ended October 6th. That compared with an increase of 2.7% in the previous week. Brewers Molson Coors Brewing and SAB Miller plc plan to combine their U.S. operations in a joint venture, which the makers of Miller Lite and Coors Light said that should help them compete more effectively. The new Miller Coors will compete with U.S. industry leader Anheuser-Busch, the maker of Budweiser, Michelob, and Bud Light. AT&T said it agreed to buy spectrum licenses from Aloha Partners for about $2.5 billion. That expands the telecommunication provider's ability to deliver wireless voice, data, and video services. Xerox announced that it received an approximately $93 million contract from the Navy to support its multi-purpose copier program. Google shares may surge 17% to $714 soon, this according to Lehman Brothers, which said the operator of the world's most popular internet search engine may introduce mobile phones as early as February. Google's phone may be simple and low-priced and designed to run software over the internet. The biggest quarterly rally for U.S. government securities in 5 years, getting an extraordinary boost from the burgeoning reinvestment of petrodollars by the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. OPEC members increased their holdings of treasuries 12% this year through July to $123.8 billion. In earnings news today, Children's Place retail store sharply slashed its profit forecast for the second half of this year, making the reduction after lower sales forced the retailer to implement price cuts. Johnson Controls expects to beat Wall Street's revenue target and hit its profit objective next year as management eyes generating overseas sales growth and making market share gains. Yum Brands posted a 17% gain in third quarter profit, helped by strong overseas growth, particularly in China, and raised its full-year forecast. Yum Brands reported net income of $270 million, or 50 cents a share. Analysts were looking for 45 cents. Scheduled economic reports on Wednesday include wholesale inventories for August, as well as the Energy Department oil inventories for the week of October 5th. And some of the earnings out tomorrow include Costco Wholesale, Host Marriott, Monsanto, Infosys Technology, Ruby Tuesday, and Mercantile Bancorp. Stocks in the news today. Taser International said a U.S. District Court granted its motion for summary judgment dismissing a product liability suit involving the February 2006 death of a cook who worked in a New Orleans restaurant. Coca-Cola was downgraded by Deutsche Bank to hold from buy, citing valuation, and Sony said it would cut the prices of its next-generation PlayStation 3 game consoles in Japan, as well as offer a new low-range model. And that's the Market Wrap on this Tuesday. I'm Jack Lott on the James Dix Financial Network.